Good afternoon all. Please take a workbook, part 2, page number 1. You can see the same page on the screen also. And we have multiple choice questions and we have the first one. Shall we start the first one?
Yes.
And the number 1 question, the early coins were made of dash. Option A,
Bronze and
gold and silver. Option B, bronze and silver. Option C, bronze and gold.
Bronze.
Option D, copper and gold. Elvin,
Bronze and
answer.
Bronze and silver.
Option
I'm
B,
right.
bronze and silver. So write the capital letter B inside the bracket.
I'm right.
Option B is the correct answer.
I'm right. And which book?
Yes, yes. Workbook part 2. Page number 1919. First question, the correct option is option B, bronze and silver. Okay, now please be quiet. Ma'am will call out the name and they will give me the answers. Okay. And question number 2, which one of the following activities can we do with money? Which one of the following activities can we do with money? Option A, buy vegetables. Option B, chop vegetables. Option C, cook vegetables. Option D, boil vegetables. Nowadays, what we can do with the money? Is it buy vegetables or chop vegetables? Vegetables or boil vegetables?
Buy vegetables.
Buy vegetables. Option A is the correct answer. Put tick mark for option A and write a capital letter A inside the bracket. Chop means putting pieces.
Thank you.
Make into pieces. Number 3. What do we give the shopkeeper to buy things? Ishan Krishna. What do we give the shopkeeper to buy things? A, toffees. B, stones. C, marbles. D, money.
Money.
What we will give to the shopkeeper?
Money.
Is it toffees or stones or marbles or money? What we will give to the shopkeeper to buy things? Money. So put tick mark for option D, money, and write letter D inside the brackets. Now again we have multiple choice questions. Listen here, question number 4. Which of the following coins are used in India? Which of the following coin is used in India? Option A, rupees 3. Option B, rupee 1. Option C, rupee 6. Option D, rupee 20. Coin, it is ours. It is our coin. John, what is the correct answer? Which coin we are using in India? Rupee 3, rupees 1, rupees 6, rupees 20. Which is the coin? Rupee 1. Option B, rupee 1. So put a tick mark for option B, rupee 1, and write letter B inside the brackets. You completed? Now we have question number 5. How is 1 rupee written? How is 1 rupee written? You can see option A, rupee symbol 1. Option B, 1 rupee symbol. Option C, 1 capital letter R. Option D is 1 small letter R. Ivania, which is a correct option, my dear? Is it A, B, C, or D?
Rupee 1.
Rupee 1. That means option A. Option A is the correct answer. Very good. Option A is the correct answer. Rupee 1. Now, question number 6. Identify the given currency. You can see a currency here. Okay. And it is written option A note of rupees 2. Option B, a coin of rupees 2. Option C, a coin of rupees 5. And option D, a note of rupees 5. Hadia, tell me answer. What is that? Identify that. Identify the given currency. It is a coin or not? Hadia. It is a coin or not?
Coin.
It is a coin. It is a coin of which rupee? How many rupees?
rupee.
Ah, it is a coin of rupees 2. So the
answer
correct
is
option is
B.
option B. And write
Ma'am, page
B
number.
inside the brackets.
Ma'am,
Page
page
number
number.
1919. Page number 1919. So question number 6, the correct option is option B. Write capital letter B inside the bracket. And those who have completed, please take page number 2020. Page number 2020. Those who join late, I will send in the group, so please copy from there. And please take page number 2020. Those who join late, please copy from the group. Okay, I will send the same in the group. Please take page number 2020. And we have fill in the blanks. We have fill in the blanks. Question number 7. 100 paisas equal to dash rupee. Elroy, what is the answer? 100 paisas equal to dash rupee.
1 rupee.
Ah, 1 rupee. Write the number
1 rupee.
1 rupee. 100 paisa is equal to 1 rupee. Question number 8. The money used in a country is called its
Currency.
cash.
Currency.
Ah, currency. Very good. The money used in a country is called its currency. The spelling is CURRENCY. Currency. CURRENCY.
I'm finished.
C.
E.
C-U-
N.
RENCY. Currency. CURRENCY. Currency.
Ma'am,
Krishna, please
finished.
unmute and tell me the next question answer. Okay, question number 9. The notes and coins used to buy things is called a dash. What we will call together coins?
Rupee.
We will call
Rupee.
rupee is currency, no? Indian currency is rupee. Here it is asked the notes and coins used to buy things is called money. M-O-N-E-Y. Money. All of you please write answer. M-O-N-E-Y. Money. M-O-N-E-Y. Money.
Finished.
Now we have question number 10. Aman, please unmute and look at the screen. Question number 10. Is the following a note or a coin? Right. It's a coin. What is its value? What is its value? Rupee 1. Rupee 1. Now please write answer. It is a coin. IT. It is a COIN. It is a coin. It is a coin and its value is rupee 1. It's ITS. It's VALUE. Value is rupee 1. It is a coin. Its value is rupee 1. It is a coin. Its value is rupee 1.
Finish.
It is a coin. 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 ITS. Its value. VALUE. Value is rupee 1. Put the symbol
Finish,
of
ma'am.
rupee and write number 1. Zara, please unmute. Sarah Selfin, please unmute and look at the question number 11. Write the value of the following note. What is the value of the given note, my dear?
2000 rupee.
Ah, very good. So put the symbol of rupee and write the number 2000. It's already written on the note. Rupees 2000. Devarsh, please.
Now finish.
Devarsh, question number 12. Write the
Now
value of the
finish.
following note. Devarsh, what is the value of the given note?
Ma'am, finish. 20.
Rupees
Rupees 20.
20. Very good. Rupees 20. Rupees 20.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome, my dear. Rupees.
Finish, ma'am.
Now, short answer questions. And we have the first one, number 13. Write in figures and words. Write in figures and words. And you can see a note of rupees 10. Its answer is right in the next page. There is space in the next. So there you can write. So we have to write its value in figures and words. So please take next page, page number 21. Now let us write its answer. IN in figures. First of all, let us write in figures. FIGURES in figures. How we will write in figures? Put the symbol of rupee and write the number. It is a 10 rupee, so put the symbol of rupee and write the number 10. And in words, 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 write the spelling of rupee. RUPEE, rupees. TEN, 10, rupees 10. In figures and words. So in figures, first of all, we'll put the symbol of rupee and write the number. In words, write the spelling of rupees and write the spelling of 10. TEN, 10.
Ma'am, finish.
Okay. You can wait for others. Let them complete. IN in FIGURES. Figures. Below, IN in WORDS. 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 Rupees 10. Shankar, please unmute and tell me the next one. Write in figures and words. What is the value of the note, Shankar? What is the value of the note, my dear? Identify the note.
Figures.
In figures, put the symbol of rupee. And how many rupee it is? Rupees?
50.
T. Very good. Then in words, write the spelling of rupees. What is the spelling of 50, my dear?
UPEES.
50 spelling?
FI.
FIFTY. 50. FIFTY. 50. Okay. FIFTY. 50. In figures and words. In figures, we will first of all write this symbol and the number. In words, we will write the
Ma'am,
spelling.
finish.
Okay. Shall we move to the next one? Question number 15.
Yes.
Okay, right. Okay, right.
Ma'am, finish.
Okay, very good. Now we can move to the next one. And we have question number 15, 1, 5, 15. And you can see, write the price of the objective given. You can see a sharpener and also given the price tag. Shisa, what is the price of the sharpener?
Ma'am, no finish. Five.
What 5? Rupees 5. Okay? Rupees 5. So let's write the answer. Rupees 5. Ishan, write. Okay, Shisa. Write the answer in the book.
Finish, ma'am. Ma'am, finish. Ma'am, finish.
Okay, okay. Let others also complete it. Then
Ma'am,
we can move.
I finish.
Okay, okay, Abel.
Ma'am,
Ishan Krishna completed. Shall we move to the next one?
yes, ma'am. Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now we have question number 16. Question number 16, 1, 6, 16. And we have guess and tick the correct price of the following objects. We are guessing the price. Okay, we know this for some object this much will be there. So here it is given a bouquet of flowers.
Flower.
Okay,
Flower.
flowers, and the price is given rupees 200 or rupees 10. What will come? Is it rupees
200.
rupees 10?
200.
200.
200.
Anyway, we cannot get 4 rupees 10, this much flower. So the answer is rupees 200. So please tick the correct place. So we have to put tick mark for rupees 200. Rupees 200.
We now finish.
And next we have a cricket bat. It's a cricket bat. Its price is given rupees 5, rupees 100. So will we get for rupees 5? Rupees 100. So put a tick mark for rupees 100.
100.
Mark for rupees 100. Please be quiet. Please be quiet. And those who have completed, please take page number 22. Page number 2222. All of you have completed. Shall we move to page number 22?
Yes.
Yes. Is there anyone to complete the answer?
Yes. Yes.
No.
No, ma'am.
So I'm taking page number 22. You please also take page number 22. And question number 17. Okay. Guess and circle the price of the following items. Here we have to circle. That's all the difference. And a bunch of balloons. It is given rupee 1, rupees 50. Will we get for rupee 1 this much balloons? No. So what will come? Is it rupees 1 or rupees 50?
Rupees 50.
So circle the rupees 50. Circle the rupees 50. Now next one, an eraser, and it is given rupees 5, rupees 50. Which will come, Elvin?
50.
Oh, one eraser goes to rupees 50.
5.
Oh, rupees 5. Rupees 5.
Rupees 5.
Rupees 5.
Rupees 5.
Okay, okay. Rupees 5.
Now finish.
Okay, very good. Now we have question number 18. Nilha Naurin completed up to 17. Jeffrey, please turn on your video. We have question number 18. Deepthi has a note each of rupees 500, rupees 50 and rupees 100. Okay. Deepthi is a girl, has notes. How many notes are there? 3 notes are there. And a rupees 500 note, rupees 50 note, rupees 100 note. The box shows some items with their rates. Write the names of the items that Deepthi can buy for. and select only one item for each amount. So she is having 3 notes. First one is rupees 500, rupees 50, rupees 100. So a dress item it is given a dress. And what is the price of the dress? It is rupees 500. Another item balloons. What is the price? Rupees 50. A t-shirt rupees 200 and ice cream rupees 100. So with that money, what all things she can buy? With the money, what all things she can? She is having a rupees 500 note. No? She is having a rupees 500 note. So she can buy the frock. No, she can buy the dress. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. Then she is having a 50 rupees. The balloons having 50 rupees only. So she can also buy balloons. What about a t-shirt? She can buy t-shirt? No, no. Because there is not 200 rupees. She is having 100 rupees. So she can buy an ice cream, no? Ice cream also she can buy. Because ice cream's price is rupees 100. So what all things she can buy? A dress, balloons, and an ice cream. She cannot buy the t-shirt because she's not having the 200 rupees. Okay, and its answer we can write in the next page. So please take a page number 23. Please take a page number 23 and write. She can buy a rupees 500. What is for rupees 500?
Rupees.
Rupees 500. What she can buy for rupees 500? A dress.
A dress.
Okay. Now another rupee, it is rupees 50.
R-E.
4 rupees 50. What she can buy?
Balloon.
Balloons. Balloons. Balloons.
50.
And she's also another note that is rupees 100. So what she can buy?
Ice cream.
Ice cream. She can buy an ice cream. An ice cream. So she can buy for rupees 500 a dress, rupees 50 balloons, rupees 100 and ice cream.
Ma'am, finish.
Okay, very good. Shall we move to another part of the page? Another part?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Okay, please write, please write. After that we can move.
Ma'am, Ivaniara's finish.
Okay, Vania, very good.
Mano, finish.
Okay, Bill, write.
Ma'am, Lakshana, finish.
Okay, Lakshana, good girl.
Ma'am, finish.
Okay, very good, very good. Abel Anthony, completed?
No.
Okay, please write.
Ma'am, finish. Sarah Selfin.
Okay.
Ma'am, finish.
Abel Anthony, completed?
Yes.
Now we have multiple choice questions. Question number 1. You can see a knot is written in figures. Which is a knot? Identify the knot. Lakshana, identify the knot.
10. Yes, ma'am.
Rupees.
Rupees 10.
Okay. Is written in figures as dash. Option A, rupees 10. Option B, rupees 100. Option C, rupee 1. Option D, rupees 50. So which is the correct answer?
Rupees 10.
Option A. So please put a tick mark for option A. Write L inside the brackets.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Now we have question number 2. Abelani, please unmute and look at the question number 2. What you can see? Question number 2. It's a coin of rupee.
1 rupee. 1 rupee.
Is written in figures as dash. Option A, rupees 2. B, rupee 1. C, rupees 10. D, rupees 50. Which is the correct answer, Abel?
Rupee 1 rupee.
1 rupee. That means option B. So please put a tick mark for option B, rupee 1, and write capital letter B inside the brackets. Alna, please unmute and look at the question number 3. Identify the currency.
Rupee.
Rupees 2 is written in figures as option A, rupee 1, option B, rupees 2, option C,
Rupee 2.
rupees
Rupee 2.
option D, rupees 10. Which is the correct answer? Option B. So please put a tick mark for option B, rupees 2, and write B inside the bracket. Now we have multiple choice questions. Question number 4. Multiple choice questions. Question number 4. And we have addition of
Option B.
rupee 1 plus rupees 3. Fardeen, what is the answer?
Rupees 4.
Option A, rupee 1. Option B, rupees 4. Option C, rupees 3. Option D, rupees 2. Which is the correct option, my dear?
Rupee 4.
1 plus 3 is equal to 4. So the correct option is option B, rupees 4, and write capital letter B inside the brackets.
Ma'am,
Yes, tell me, my dear.
question number 4 finish.
Okay. Now, if you have finished, please take page number 24. Please take page number 24.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, finish.
Not finished. Then you write. Those who have completed, please take page number 24. Shall we start? Page number 24?
Yes.
Okay, Sai Krishna, you completed page number 23? Okay. Now we have multiple choice question again. Question number 5. Rupees 4.50 is read as dash. Jeffrey, and tell me answer. Okay. Option A, 4 rupees 50 paisa. Option B, 50 paisa, 4 rupees. Option C, 4 and 50 rupees. Option D, rupees 450. Which is the correct answer, Jeffrey? Which is the correct option? Jeffrey, how we will read this?
4 rupees 55 paisa.
4 rupees 50 paisa. The correct option is option A. Option A is the correct option, and write A inside the bracket. 4 rupees 50 paisa. 4 rupees 50 paisa. 4 rupees 50 paisa. Now, Sai Krishna, please unmute and tell me the answer of next one. Question number 6. Rupees and paisa are separated by a dash. Rupees and paisa are separated by a dash. Option A dot, option B semicolon, option C comma, option D inverted commas. Which is the correct answer, Sai Krishna? Rupees and paisa are separated by a
Dot.
dot. Separated by a dot. Okay. Option A is the correct answer. So please put a tick mark for option A dot. Sai Krishna, put a tick mark for option A. Option A dot. Or rupees and paisa are separated by a dash. The answer is option A dot. Okay. Option A dot. So please write capital letter E inside the bracket.
Dot.
Dot.
Capital. L.
Okay, very good. And now we have question number 7. Nilhan Auren, please tell me the answer. Rupees 10 plus rupees 20. 10 plus 20. What is the answer? 10 plus 20.
30.
30. At 1's place 0 plus 0, 0. 10's place 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. So the answer is rupees 30. All of you right answer, rupees 30. Abhinav DS, please unmute and look at the next question. Question number 8. 3 coins of 10, rupees 10 make a dash. 3 coins of rupees 10. So rupees 10 plus rupees 10 plus rupees 10. What is the answer?
30.
30. Rupees 10 plus rupees 10 plus rupees 10. That means 10 plus 10 plus 10. 10 plus 10 is equal to 20.
Rupees 30.
30. So the answer is rupees.
Rupees 30.
Rupees 30. Very good. So 3 coins of rupees 10 make rupees 30. And we have question number 9. Money is written in rupees and dash. Elvin, what is the answer?
Coin.
Money is written in rupees and dash.
Paisa.
Rupees and what?
Coin.
Paisa. Rupees and paisa. P-A-I-S-E. Rupees and paisa. Money is written in rupees and paisa. Money is written in rupees and paisa. P-A-I-S-E. Paisa.
Finish.
Okay, very good. Now next one is very simple. Find the total money. Find the total money. We have a coin of rupees 2. We have a coin of rupees 10. So what is the answer? Rupees 2 plus 10 in the mind, 2 in the finger. So 10 in the mind, after 10, 11, 12. So what is the total money? What is the total money? Rupees 12. Avish Boban, Anya, please turn on your video. Okay, Avish. So rupees 2 plus rupees 10. What is the answer, Avish Boban? Rupees 2 plus rupees 10 equal to rupees 12. Now we have question number 11. Find the total amount of money. You can see 4 coins. 4 coins of rupees 2. Now let us write the answer. Rupees 2 plus rupees 2 plus rupees 2 plus rupees 2. So let us add it. 2 plus 2. What is the answer? 2 plus 2? 2 plus 2. 2 plus 4 equal to 4. Again, 4 plus 2.
Ma'am,
4 plus 2 is equal to 6. 6 plus 2. What is the answer? 6 plus 2. 6 plus 2. What is the answer? 8. So rupees 8. The answer is rupees 8.
Ma'am, rupees 8.
Okay, very good. Rupees 8. We have the last one. 12. The remaining we will do it in the next class. Find the total money. Here we are adding the money. Rupees 10. Rupees 10.
എവിടേക്ക് തന്നെ റുപ്പീസ് ഓൺലി 4 rupees equal to rupees 8 പറ അത് വിട് ഇത് ചെയ്യും
Finish.
So a coin of rupees 10 and again a coin of rupees 10, again a coin of rupees 10. So let us write its value. Rupees 10 plus rupees 10 plus rupees 10. Then we have again
33.
2 plus rupees 1. So let us add the tens together. Okay. Now here there are 3 tens. So 3 tens will make how much rupees?
30
3 rupees?
30 rupees.
30 rupees. So let us write 30 rupees 30. What about the 2 plus 1?
3.
3 rupees 3.
33.
So 30 plus 3. 30 in the mind, 3 in the fingers. So after 30, 31.
33. Ma'am, last time is finished. 32
So it is rupees 30.
151.
Rupees 33. See? So the remaining we will do in the next class. Okay? The same I will forward in the group also. So thank you for joining. Bye bye. See you in the next class. Bye.
Bye, ma'am.